Alright, what up, what up? It's 1:40 in the morning right now, and I have not put anything up in weeks. So, we are going to do a reaction video, and we're going to listen to Lil Uzi Vert, Flooded the Face. I'm not a huge Uzi listener, but everybody's telling me that this album is fucking like the end-all be-all greatest album of all time. So, we'll see. Not a huge Uzi listener, but we'll see how it goes. So, we're gonna play this. If it has a dope beat, I'm already gonna fucking like it, so it don't really matter. Alright. Let's go. Okay.
Wake up.
Okay.
Uzi, not again. You're never gonna change.
Yeah, first of all, I fuck 8 bitches a day. How could you ever say Lil Uzi gay? Fuck 4 of them raw, fuck 4 of them safe. Think I'm splitting the odds, but for you to debate. Don't want no pussy, want oral to
Hold the fuck on. Hold the fuck on. Wait. I gotta go back.
Uzi, wake up. Uzi, not again. You're never gonna change.
Yeah, first of all, I fuck 8 bitches a day. How could you ever say Lil Uzi gay? Fuck 4 of them raw, fuck 4.
No way. Y'all are gonna think this is fake, but I've never heard Uzi like this, so I don't, again, I don't listen to him a lot, so I don't know if he makes songs like this a lot, but that's fucking crazy.
First of all, I fuck 8 bitches a day. How could you ever say Lil Uzi gay?
Oh!
4 of them say, think I'm splitting the odds, but for you to debate. Don't want no pussy, want oral today. Pull out your tongue and you twirl it, babe. She lick on my back with them proud it, baby. Diamond so wet like a swally bag. I'm more than a 40. If I put out a tape with my born shit. If I'm partying, you porn, we porn shit. I fuck you, bitch, don't care like a porno flip. I put diamonds everywhere, that morning rich. Outlet broke, now I'm morning rich. Brand new fire, now I'm flying it. Don't hit, bro, no ignoring it.
Wait, hold on. First off, he fucked bitches today. How you ever gonna say Lil Uzi gay? No shot.
Let you know.
It'll calm down in the beat.
About now, 'cause I'ma keep getting this guap. Moolah bands, money, whatever you call it. Fed. I tell you, got time to worry about me. Not only is you a fan, but you ain't getting no money. Flooded the face, mad at the roof. Got a new house, unlimited space. It was just hard, now my life grew. Now that little girl gonna do what I said. Diamond like lake, water like sink. Pocket on rings, pull up and
No. Wait. I've listened to some of the Pink tape. I listened to it today because I went out with a friend and they're like a huge fan of they're a huge fan of Lil Uzi. So I listened to some of it. Like I listened to the Nicki Minaj song he had. I listened to the Don Toliver feature he had. I listened to a couple other ones, but like they don't amount to this. I think this is like the biggest song so far. This one and the one with Nicki. And the one with Nicki's good, but like holy fuck, this is fucking crazy. Like that chorus.
gonna do what I said. Diamond like lake, water like sink. Pocket on rings, pull up and tank.
Whether that's a chorus or a pre-chorus, that's fucking ridiculous. I think I gotta give the album a full listen then, cause like, again, I'm not a huge fan of Uzi, but like, this is fucking great.
Who on a race, smoking that gas, don't make the break. Flooded the face, mad at the roof. Got a new house, unlimited space. It was just hard, now my life grew. Now that little girl gonna do what I said. Diamond like lake, water like sink. Pocket on
Dude, it's so fucking hype.
Who on a race, smoking that gas, don't make the brakes. Diamond my rollie, diamond my paddock. This an AP in a hand automatic. Whipping that white in the kitchen, Bob Saget. Whipping it slow, need to whip it a little faster. I got the swag on fashionable bastard. Rock on my jean, they tight like the Mick Jagger. You think you fly, but your swagger track max. They want my sauce because I'm a chick mad. Had to work in my hat and I pull out a rabbit. Roaming the letters, I chop out the caption. All of my weapons and bitches automatic. I do not fuck with no semi-automatic. Girl, don't call my name, you know you call me daddy.
Alright. Rhymed automatic with automatic, but okay.
Started laughing.
I like the slowdowns, like the transitions, and like like between the chorus. I like the transition where he like slows down a little bit and does like lets the beat just ride for a minute. If the chorus hits after, it's a perfect transition.
I paved at it, was brave at it, stay stuck, new west, yeah. Flooded the face,
There it is. There it is.
house unlimited space. It was just hard, now my life grew. Now that little girl gonna do what I said. Diamond like lake, water like sand, pocket on break.
Oh shit.
Full up and cool, who on a race, smoking that gas, got me the break. Flooded the face, mad at the roof.
Oh, again.
House unlimited space. It was just hard, now my life grew. Now that little girl gonna do what I said. Diamond like lake, water like sand, pocket on rings, pull up and tank, full up and cool, who on a race, smoking that gas, got me the brakes. Skirt off, skirt off, skirt off, skirt off, skirt off, skirt off, skirt off.
Uzi.
Okay. That was Flooded the Face by Lil Uzi Vert on his new Pink Tape album. Wow. I got a new respect for Uzi right now. I'm gonna be real. Like, that was actually dope as fuck. I guess say rating wise, I give it an 8. Only because like the point where the beat calms down, like he doesn't really say anything. Like he doesn't, I don't know. I'm not like a huge fan of Uzi, so it's like I can't give it a 10. Like I don't think I'll ever like give it 10. I'd say like 8.5 even. Like I'll give it like that a little bit extra. It's really fucking good. But I mean, yeah, that's really about it. That's really all I gotta say about it. Like I'm not like the cadence is really good. I fuck with the chorus heavy. And I like the beat. Like, I like how it starts as well. Like, she's like, Uzi, you're never going to change. And he just goes, like, straight in. It's not like he, like, builds up. He just goes straight in. I like that a lot whenever rap songs have, like, dope beats. And you just go straight in. You don't, like, build up, like, small bar by bar and then go in. Like, he just goes straight in. And it's the first it's the first song on the album. So, I like that a lot where he just jumps straight in. Especially since people have been waiting forever for the Pink Tape. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I give it 8.5 out of 10. Give it a pass on the scale. Trash or pass, you know. But, yeah, if there's other songs y'all want me to react to or listen to or anything like that, if I've already heard it a bunch, chances are I probably won't react to it. But if there's, like, new songs y'all want me to listen to, you know, hit me up. But, that's pretty much it. Lil Uzi, Flooded the Face. Good song. Gotta give the album a full listen. But that's about it. That's all I have for y'all. Peace.